2006 Chevrolet HHR air filter location and replacement in this box right there. This is called a T25 Torx bit. Fits in the screws, 6 of them along here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, as I like to say. And then down in here, now you need to take this clamp and slide it down with a pair of pliers, which is attached right there. A screwdriver or 8mm to get this off of here, which goes down there. And then this tube here, which actually has a clamp on it somewhere. It did. I used a screwdriver to take it off right here. Probably fell down. Did dig that out? Yep. It's actually laying down below. There's a clamp here. So it's basically sitting like that. So you take this clamp off, take that clamp off, take that clamp, loosen them, and electrical connector right here. Push this tab right here, loosen it, and that's right there. You get to your air filter in here, and maybe you can see mine is already nice and clean in there. So this is done. That's how to get to your HHR air filter.